What if you woke up tomorrow morning, checked your phone, and saw money in your account that you didn't work for that day? No boss, no clocking in, no trading hours for dollars, just income while you sleep. Most people believe this is only for millionaires or financial gurus, but the truth is, there are simple systems that ordinary people use every day to generate money automatically. And today, I'm going to show you 20 of the most realistic ways to make money while you sleep. But pay close attention to number 14, because it's one of the easiest methods to start. And most people completely ignore it. Let's begin. On dividend stocks. One of the oldest ways to earn passive income is through dividend stocks. When you buy shares of certain companies, they reward investors by paying a portion of their profits regularly. That means every few months, money appears in your brokerage account automatically. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble have been paying dividends for decades. So instead of working for money, your money starts working for you. And while dividend stocks are powerful, the next method can create income even if you start with almost zero money. 2. High-yield savings accounts. Most people keep their money in a normal bank account that pays almost nothing, but high-yield savings accounts allow your cash to earn interest automatically. That means your money slowly grows without you doing anything. Banks like Ali Bank or Marcus by Goldman Sachs often offer much higher interest rates than traditional banks. You won't become rich overnight, but over time, your money compounds. But if you want something that can generate income much faster, the next strategy is one of the most powerful on the internet. 3. Digital products. Digital products are one of the best passive income models today because you create something once and sell it forever. Examples include ebooks, online courses, templates, guides, digital planners. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it incredibly easy to sell digital products. Once uploaded, people can buy them 24 hours a day, even while you sleep. But what if you don't want to create a product at all? The next method solves that. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by recommending products. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. This is how thousands of bloggers and YouTubers make money online. Programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank allow anyone to get started. The beauty is this: you promote once, and the content can generate income for years. But the next strategy might be even more powerful, because it uses something that billions of people watch every day. 5. YouTube automation. YouTube videos can make money long after they're uploaded. Through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships, one video can generate income for years. And the best part? You don't even have to show your face. Many channels use stock footage, voiceovers. Simple editing platforms like YouTube allow creators to build libraries of videos that work like digital employees. Each video becomes an asset. But the next method is something wealthy investors have used for generations. 6. Real estate rentals. Owning rental property allows you to collect monthly payments from tenants. Once the system is set up, rent arrives every month. Platforms like Airbnb have even made short-term rentals extremely profitable in many cities. Of course, real estate requires capital, but the income potential can be massive. However, the next method requires almost no money to start and is exploding right now. 7. Print on demand. Print on demand allows you to sell products without holding inventory. You design graphics for things like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, hoodies. When someone buys, a company prints the product and ships it automatically. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble handle everything. You just collect the profit. But what if your money itself could grow while you do absolutely nothing? That's exactly what the next strategy does. 8. Index funds. Index funds allow you to invest in hundreds of companies at once. Instead of trying to pick winners, you invest in the entire market. One of the most famous examples tracks the S&P 500. Over decades, this index has historically grown significantly. That means while you sleep, your investments can continue growing. But the next strategy is one of the most underestimated passive income methods online. 9. Selling stock photos. Every day, companies and websites need images, and many creators earn passive income by uploading photos to stock platforms. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe allow photographers to license their images. Each download earns a small payment, but hundreds or thousands of downloads can add up to serious income. But the final strategy might be the most powerful of all, because it turns knowledge into money. 10. Online courses. If you know something valuable, you can turn it into an online course. Skills like investing, graphic design, language learning, marketing, fitness platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow anyone to sell courses globally. You build it once, and students can enroll anytime, even years later. 11. Sell website templates. Many businesses need websites, but they don't know how to build them. That's where website templates come in. If you create a simple website design once, you can sell it hundreds or even thousands of times. Platforms like ThemeForest and Creative Market allow designers to upload templates that people buy instantly. The best part? Once the template is uploaded, people can buy it 24 hours a day. But what if you could earn money just by lending your money to others? That's exactly what the next strategy does. 12. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to act like a bank. You lend money to individuals or businesses, and they pay you back with interest. Platforms like Lending Club connect investors with borrowers. Instead of letting your money sit in the bank, it starts generating returns automatically. But the next strategy is something millions of creators are doing right now. 13. Selling music or beats. If you produce music, you can sell beats online. Many artists and content creators buy beats for their songs and videos. Platforms like BeatStars allow producers to upload beats and license them repeatedly. One beat can sell hundreds of times. That means you create it once, and it keeps generating income. But the next method might be the easiest passive income idea on this list. 14. Cashback and rewards apps. Some apps literally give you money back for purchases you already make. Apps like Rakuten and Honey automatically apply cashback or discounts. It's not life-changing money, but it's free money you would otherwise miss. Rehook. However, the next strategy can turn simple writing into passive income. 15. Writing articles online. Some writers publish articles that keep generating income for years. Websites like Medium allow writers to earn money based on how many people read their content. Once published, the article can keep earning long after it's written. But what if you could earn money from things you already own? That's exactly what the next strategy is about. 16. Renting out equipment. Many people rent out things they already have. Examples include cameras, tools, drones, parking spaces. Platforms like Fat Llama allow you to rent your equipment to others. You're turning unused items into income-producing assets. But the next strategy uses one of the biggest industries in the world. 17. Mobile app development apps generate billions of dollars every year. Even simple apps can make money through ads, subscriptions, in-app purchases. Apps published on Google Play or Apple App Store can generate revenue every day, even while you sleep. But the next idea might surprise you because it involves domain names. 18. Domain flipping. Some people buy domain names and sell them later for profit. It's similar to real estate, but on the internet. A good domain name can become very valuable. Platforms like GoDaddy and Namecheap allow users to buy and sell domains easily. Rehook. But the next strategy is one of the fastest growing income streams online. 19. Selling AI prompts. With the rise of AI, people are now selling AI prompts. Prompts for writing, art generation, marketing, productivity. Marketplaces like Promptbase allow creators to sell prompts repeatedly. One prompt can be sold hundreds of times. And finally, the last method might be the most scalable of them all. 20. Building a newsletter. Newsletters are becoming massive businesses. Creators build audiences and send valuable emails weekly. Then they monetize through sponsorships, affiliate links, paid subscriptions. Platforms like Substack and Behave make it easy to start. Once your audience grows, a single email can generate thousands of dollars. Now imagine this, you combine 3 or 4 of these income streams: a dividend portfolio, a YouTube channel, digital products, and affiliate marketing. Suddenly, you don't depend on one paycheck anymore. You build a system where money can flow from multiple sources, even while you sleep. So now you've seen 20 different ways to make money while you sleep. But here's the truth, most people don't want to hear. Passive income doesn't start as passive. It starts with one decision, one skill, one system, one income stream. Most people watch videos like this, feel motivated for a few minutes, and then go back to the same financial habits. But the people who actually change their lives do something different. They pick one idea and they start today. So here's my question for you. Which of these 20 income streams would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about building multiple income streams, escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and growing your money smarter, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Because on this channel, we break down real strategies that help ordinary people build financial freedom. And in the next video, I'm going to show you the biggest money mistakes that keep people poor in 2026. Trust me, most people are making at least 3 of them right now. And you don't want to be one of them. So hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.